thank you for taking your time to take a look our video for the Enzo 12 volt espresso machine, made in USA with imported parts. The machine is 12 volt and runs to any portable battery or your RV, boats, truck, or anywhere you have a source with a 12 volt. Turn the machine on. This process will take about 4 minutes to heat the machine, so you will be ready to make your first shot. After your first shot, you'll be able to make the second shot right after. The coffee quality you will see with your eyes is espresso made just like in a bar in Rome. The machine is using standard pot that they are 44 millimeters. It can be found at anywhere. Once the machine shows the green light, it means the machine is ready to brew coffee, espresso coffee. So open the group with a lever, insert the pot in the group, close the group, set your cup below and push the pump switch to make your first extraction of espresso. Whatever you see is all crema, operated from a imported pump that is 53 watt power, around 20 bar. Once the cup is done, espresso is done, you stop the pump and you have an espresso just like in Rome or Milan. So after you do your first one, you're going to do another one for your girlfriend or your boyfriend. Take the old pot out, open the new pot, insert the new pot, again repeat the same operation by closing the group, get a plain cup, place it over the tray, push the pump switch, and you can see, as I told you before, that you can make shot after shot, perfect crema, a crema that lasts, for a long time in a cup. Again, stop the machine. In this case, you could make another one, but here is your solution. Enzo 12 volt, the first powerful professional espresso machine made from Ital Brew Corporation. The model again is Enzo 12 volt.